everyone, welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen where we cook Filipino favorites and more, and this is your host Victor. You know, this week there was a big sale of Pacific shrimp in my favorite superstore, and I bought like a whole bunch of shrimp and I ran out of ideas as to what to make of them. Good thing there was Google and YouTube, and I stumbled upon Shrimp Scampi, and what a very easy and delicious way to cook your shrimp. And it's gonna be keto friendly as well. So stick with me until the very end of this video and let's have fun together cooking this delicious shrimp dish. Let's get started. And the first thing that we need to do is to prepare our shrimps. And by the way, I'm using 600 grams here of Pacific shrimps, and I've already peeled them, removed the veins, but I retain the tails on. Some of them don't have the tails, but most of them have the tails on. And now let's proceed to the first step. So let's start by heating up our saute pan. And now that our pan is nice and hot, let's add olive oil in it. And then our butter. And what we're going to do is to melt our butter here. And while our butter is melting, let's add our 5 cloves of minced garlic. And now that our garlic has started to turn brown, let's add our 1/4 cup here of chopped parsley. And let's season it with a pinch of salt. And now let's add 1/2 cup of red wine. And the juice of 1 whole lemon. And 1/4 cup of shrimp broth. And at this point, what we're going to do is to let our sauce here come to a simmer and reduce it to half. And now that my sauce has reduced to half, I'm going to add my shrimp. I'll give it a real good mix. And what I'm trying to do here is to scatter my shrimps well so it's only one layer. And after 2 minutes of simmering here, we're going to move our shrimps around. And I want my scampi here to have more shine, so I'm going to add more olive oil. And after 4 minutes, my shrimp scampi is cooked and ready to serve. We're back here with our final product, our shrimp scampi, and I'm just ready and excited to taste it. It's really so delicious. You can never go wrong with shrimp scampi. It's so simple and easy to make in your own kitchen. That's a guarantee. And by the way, the crushed chili pepper and the black pepper are just an option, which I added without showing it to you guys. And I've added them just the same because for me, they add more flavor to it, and I like a little bit of kick in my food. And so I hope you guys will give it a try yourself in your own kitchen. And once you do, let me know what you think about your own version of it by writing down your comments in the comment section below. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching today, and I do hope to see you on my next video. Bye for now.